girl Warner wants. Someone serious. Someone lawyerly. Someone who wears black when nobody's dead. Girls, I have a completely brilliant plan. What you want, Warner, what you want is me. But you need to see me in a brand new domain. Well, it's plain, Warner, in a different setting. You will see you're getting all of this plus a brain. I'll meet you there at Harvard with a book in my hand. Big sturdy book, big wordy book, full of words I'll understand and write. There is where you'll see it too. Warner, what you want is right in front of you. What you want is clear. What you want right here. What you want is right in front of you. What you want is clear. What you want right here. What you want is right in front of you. Step one, he's off to Harvard Law, so I get in there too. Step two, make Warner reassess, impress him with my high IQ. Step three, we throw a great big wedding and invite all Delta Nu. That's great, nice plan. Now, can we think this through? Harvard Law School? I have a 4.0 average. Yeah, in fashion merchandising. What makes you think you can do this? Love, I'm doing this for love, and love will see me through. Yes, with love on my side, I can't lose, and Harvard can't refuse. A love so pure and true. Don't lawyers feel love too? do that. Both her hair and shoes are flat. Why is she so rude? Wipe your tears, it's no big thing. You were meant to wear his ring. Cheer up, chin up, it's time to bring a happy attitude. Keep it positive. As you slap her to the floor, keep it positive. As you pull her hair and call her whore, you can take her in a fight. You and she will reunite. You know we're right, we're positive. Girls, violence is never wise. Not the way to win back guys. Anyway, she's twice my size. Who's got a plan B?
Me. Look at her, she's like a nun. Showing you are way more fun. Bust out the lap dance and you won. You off the hizzle, G.
What?
Keep it positive.
Yeah, let out your inner freak.
Keep it positive. Miss Prissy Pants won't last a week.
You will whet his appetite. You and he will reunite.
You know we're right. We're positive. We're positive. We're positive. We're positive.
Oh my God, you're making me sick.
Are we?
Warner, let's take this back to my place.
Hey, 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 positive. That he loves you and not her. More hotter and I bet you're smarter.
She don't know the real him.
You feel him, so don't let her steal him.
Wake him up like
Sleeping Beauty. Turn his head with your red hot booty. Don't bring the noise if you bring the funk. It's positively time to shake your junk. Shake, 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 shake. Woo!
Girls, how is this helping? He's not even here! He left while we were shaking junk! Wait, girls, I'm positive that we've taken this too far. No, I'm positive this is Harvard, not a stripper bar.